Are your iPhone showing how to fix cannot send audio messages at this time when you try to send audio message to an Android? Hi there, this is Eve and here is how you can solve cannot send audio message to an Android phone. So let's get started. Solution 1, reset the network. Open setting, tap mobile data, tap mobile data network, scroll down, tap reset setting, tap reset. Quickly after that, open setting again, scroll down, tap message. First, make sure that you are using your phone number from here. After that, scroll down, enable MMS. After that, please restart your iPhone and check your issues. Now, if you still have issues, please check and follow the next process. Solution 2. Make sure to have a strong internet connection. Now, try to test your internet speed. Now, if you have trouble connecting to your internet, enable airplane mode. Wait around some time and turn it back on. Solution 3. Give reset all setting. Go to settings, scroll down, tap general, scroll down, tap transfer or reset. Tap reset all settings. After that, your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have issues, call SIM customer care and tell them about your issues, and they will solve your issues. So, thanks for watching.